Merry Christmas, Jamaica. My name is Anthony Hylton, spokesperson for the People's National Party on industry investment and global logistics. My wish for Jamaica is that the next PNP government will organize, mobilize enough investment to transform the Jamaica's economy and its supply chain to ensure that you get your goods and services at competitive prices, cheaply, and that for this Christmas, that we will ensure that the wharf, the ports are not clogged, that you get your supplies, whether you're in business or you're a consumer, you get your supplies on time and cost effectively. The next PNP government will ensure that we build the global supply chain, make Jamaica a logistic hub so that you can see the benefits of a world-class trading system to get your goods and materials to businesses and consumer cheaply and effectively. I wish for you a Merry Christmas.